In this video, I'll show you how to add a collaborator on Instagram. And if you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to open up your Instagram application and go to your profile by clicking on the last icon on the right at the bottom. Now, once you're here, you're going to find the post that you want to invite the collaborator for, you want to add the collaborator for. And we're going to take this post for instance. Now, once you open up the post, you're going to realize at the far right, at the top of the far right of the post, there are three dots there. You can click on these three dots. And from here, we're going to go to edit. Now, on the edit, we can see where it says tag people. We're going to go there. And on the tag people, you can either choose to add tags or invite collaborator. So we're going to click on invite collaborator. And here, all you need to do is to search for the name of the person that you want to add to your as a collaborator to your project, and it's going to bring them out. And once you click on it, Instagram is going to invite them to be added as a collaborator on your project. And once they accept, you're going to be able to be seen as a collaborator on your project. Now, that's how to add collaborator on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.